Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for anyone battling with plantar fasciitis, the Dr. Scholl's Plantar Fasciitis Pain Relief Orthotic Insoles. If you've been struggling with heel pain, you're in the right place because we're about to explore why these insoles are hailed as the best solution for women dealing with plantar fasciitis. Let's start with why these insoles are a game-changer. Designed specifically for those suffering from plantar fasciitis, these orthotic insoles are engineered to provide immediate and long-lasting relief. The unique combination of features in these insoles makes them stand out in the market. First off, they provide targeted support right where you need it most, your heel. The deep heel cup and arch support work together to cradle your foot, reducing the strain on your plantar fascia. This not only relieves pain but also helps prevent it from coming back. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the immediate relief they experience with these insoles. Whether you're on your feet all day at work or hitting the trails for a hike, these insoles have got your back, or should I say, your feet. To sum it up, Dr. Scholl's Plantar Fasciitis Pain Relief Orthotic Insoles are a must-have for anyone dealing with heel pain. They're designed to provide immediate relief, prevent future pain, and offer long-lasting comfort. Say goodbye to the agony of plantar fasciitis and hello to happy feet. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy walking.